Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 with product key in any PC. So let's get started. First, you need to download this Windows 10 ISO files, whose link will be in description. This file is very big because it contains both 32-bit and 64-bit Windows 10 version. After that, open any browser and search Rufus. Click on the top site and download the latest version of Rufus. Now insert at least an 8GB pen drive and open Rufus, then select the Windows 10 ISO file. Make sure your USB is selected in device and click on start. Now your USB will be formatted and it will copy the ISO file. This process will take 10 to 15 minutes depending on your processor. You can also install Windows by extracting the ISO file if you want to install it on same PC. Now our Windows 10 USB is created. You can also just insert the USB in another PC and install Windows 10, but I will install it using the BIOS. Now insert the USB in PC in which you want to install Windows 10 before starting. After that, start the PC and press F10 or F12 to open the boot menu, and in that select USB as boot device. Now it will give you option between 64-bit and 32-bit. Select the one which is supported by your PC. Then it will load files. Now select language and time. Then install. Now enter the product key which I am writing. This product key is for Windows 10 Pro, but if you want to install any other version of Windows, then just select I don't have a product key. Then accept the license terms. You can't upgrade your Windows using BIOS. For that, you need to use the setup. So select the custom option and select the drive in which you want to install Windows. Now the installation has started and it will take about an hour. I am fast forwarding the installation, otherwise it will be too big. Your PC will restart several times. Now it will ask for some minor settings like name, email, services, etc. Now Windows 10 is installed and as you can see, it's running fully activated Windows 10 Pro. Sometimes Windows doesn't get activated, so to fix that, just click on the Activate Windows Now option in the bottom of settings and click on Troubleshoot. Make sure your PC is connected to internet. After completing of troubleshooting, you will see the Activate Windows option, so just click on it and now our Windows is activated. I hope my video was helpful to you, and if you have any other problems regarding the installation, then comment me down below. Thanks for watching.